Mario, I want to go outside. And why is that, Luigi? Because, Mario, I want to, go outside and go on a little adventure or something. I don't know. That does sound pretty fun. Wait, we're going on a nature walk? I guess so. Let's go! Come on, Mario. Alright, let's go. Alright, Luigi, we're here. Whoa! Mario, this place is beautiful. I know why. It's nice to get some fresh air, and the sun is shining, cars, and all this stuff. So, how long is this nature walk going to be? Not too long. I'm not sure we're going to be doing for an hour because, that would be a very long time. And that means I will want to go back inside the house. Sorry, I had to yawn. Well, at least we can enjoy these couple of minutes just walking in this beautiful place. Isn't that right, Mario? You're not wrong, Luigi. You're not wrong. Look at these houses. Look so cool. Is that a museum? No, Luigi, it's not a museum. It's just something that looks like a museum. Okay, Mario. Alright, Luigi, there's a road coming up. You better look both ways. I will, Mario. Huh? Oh, thank you, Captain. So, are we just going to do a nature walk, or... Well, I am thinking of going to the park. Wait, we're going to the park? Yes, I guess so. We are almost here anyways. Oh my goodness, Mario, we got to go lead. Come on, Mario, let's go. Whoa, Luigi, slow down, I'm coming. Okay, Mario, sorry, I was just so excited. Wait, is that the moon? It sure is, Luigi. But I thought the moon only comes at night, not the evening or afternoon, or whatever you call it. Yeah, sometimes the moon comes a little closer. Okay, Mario. Look, we're almost here. Alright, Luigi. Let's go. Alright, Luigi. We're here at the park. Oh my goodness, Mario! I need to! I must go on the slide! Alright, Luigi. I'm not gonna stop you. Let's go! I got me slide. What's this? Is this like tic-tac-toe or something? I guess I can play that with Mario. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Okay, that part is a little tricky. What is this? Oh, it's one of those things. Phoenix, whoa. Okay, I got the free in the road. Okay. Wait. Alright, let me do it. Hold on, let me do it. Alright. It says reasonable. So I think I got to bring each one needs to have three of them. Alright, that should be probably right, I don't know. Oh my goodness! You have to slide, guys! Alright, time to go on the slide. And 3, 2, 1. Wow! Oh my goodness! That was so cool, right, Mario? Wow. So cool, Mario. You should go try it out. No, I just go to chill in those things like that. Oh. Well, I just gonna do something else. It's so strange something. Sorry, what's this? Hold on, let me just. very good. Anyways, let's see what else I can do. Whoa, look at this. This is like some sort of parkour. Alright, let's do this. Yeah. Huh? Ooh. That was sick. Oh wait, let's do that out. Yeah. 360. Is that 360? Guys, comment down below if that was a 360 or no. I don't really know 360s that much. Question mark. Are you supposed to change things? Hold on, let me just. Oh, you don't. Wait. I did not understand this. It looks like I hit something. Really? I'm gonna do something else. Whoa, this looks so cool. Yeah. I can't reach that one. Oh my goodness, I can't reach that one. Wait! I can believe! Luigi power! Oh my goodness, that was so much fun! Alright, let's give it a start now. Alright, 3, 2, 1, get ball! Whoa, that was so much fun! Wait, oh yeah, I have stuff on me. Hold on. There's stuff on me. Hold on, guys. There we go. I think I want to go in that park. I think I want to play Luigi myself for some reason. Hey, Luigi! Luigi! Luigi, where are you? Luigi! 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 Oh, sorry, Mario. I just playing in the slides a lot and stuff. Alright, what do you want? I want to play with you a bit. Can I go on the swing sauces? And first, Luigi, let's go. Alright, Luigi, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun, Mario. You having fun? Yes. Whoa, Mario! Oh my goodness, Mario! That was too high. I want to get up now. Okay. Oh, that was a close one. Mario, help me, Mario, help me! Don't worry, Luigi, I'll save you. Madam, I know you want to play Luigi, but he's real. Like, can you please hit him at me? Hey! Luigi, fly! That's him! The little dude! He's making me fun! You! Let him go! Ow! Mario, save me! Little dude! Bring Luigi back at once! I'm in so much fun! Luigi! Get back here, Luigi! Bring Luigi back! Mario! Help me! Hey, Luigi, I'll come and save you! Oh, no. Hey, get back here! Okay, then. Get back here! How are you? That was... I need to rest. Luigi, I'm sorry. Oh, hey, Mario. Luigi! You're back! Oh my goodness! You're back! How are you back? So we'll let me go. Alright, Luigi, let's get out of this place. Oh my goodness, Luigi, that was so close. Yeah, that was close. Well, I think she was about to take me, but I think she decided to let me go because she knows that's the wrong thing to do.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. At least you're fine, right? Yeah, I am fine, but too bad we couldn't go on the nationwide a little longer. Yeah, I did just start to notice it was getting like a lot darker. It was getting dark. Yeah, that makes sense. How about we just chill? Yeah, that's a good idea.